Four suspects will appear in the East London Magistrate's court in connection with the theft of items from the 21 deceased teenagers at Enyobeni Tavern in Scenery Park in East London. The items include shoes, hair weaves, clothes and a watch. According to reports, all the corpses were without cell phones when removed from the crime scene. The cell phones of the deceased are a crucial part of evidence. The police need to trace movement of these teenagers before their death to be able to detect where they contracted the methanol that was found in their bodies. For more on this story, let's cross now to Abongile Jantjies. A very good morning to you once again, Abongile. Just in terms of the items that went missing from the 21 deceased teenagers and how crucial these are for the investigation.
Well, Desiree, once again, good morning to you. And the cruciality of the evidence found will depend on how the police conduct their investigation. Well, they are saying that it's a step into the right direction, but they are calling for calm and saying that let's allow the processes to unfold. And as we are here in the East London Magistrates court today to see whether it's their first appearance, so it will not take quite a while. And as I said, we understand that the three were arrested on Thursday and the minor was arrested on Friday, and I understand that the minor has been handed over to his parents, and as per the Child Justice Act, he cannot be inside prison cells due to his age. And we also understand that amongst the four there is a grade 12 learner who's supposed to be at school as we are speaking now, but he has to come to court to face these charges, which include defeating the ends of justice, theft and being in possession of suspected stolen property. As we stand now at 11:30, we will know whether we'll be allowed to film inside, and it's because there is this minor that's involved, or the minor will appear on his own, not present, not physically, but in another way, so that we may be allowed to film the court proceedings. But as we stand now at 11:30, that's what we are going to be hearing from the side of the NPA. They are saying that they are still studying the documents that have been given. They were given this morning, and so as to where they stand onto this case, they will be able to only to pronounce that when they are, once they've studied and after the court proceedings have started. But I can tell you now, the courtroom and even the passage here inside is full of the media. It's still grappling interest. It's still one of those cases where they still want to know what exactly unfolded on that fateful Sunday morning last month. And I can tell you that there are some parents whose children who have been arrested amongst the four. They are saying that hopefully they'll be out today because they have to move on with life. Some of them are saying that these arrests were something that is wrong. Their children, even though they were there, they don't believe that they could just be arrested for these charges that they are facing. But we'll hear inside court as what will happen and update you furtherly, Desiree.
Absolutely, would really like that update, Abongile, just in terms of how processes are proceeding in this regard. It's a separate case from the actual case, just in terms of things that went missing from the deceased.